So guys, you might know many different events or tasks that have been failing by you. So what's the reason behind it? It's because procrastination, that you are procrastinating yourself to stop the work to be done by you. So hey guys, I'm Kovid from this Kovid channel, and welcome back to another video in this channel. So I am entrepreneur, programmer, algorithmist, and your tutor in this course. So in this tutorial, we'll learn how to stop procrastinating yourself. So procrastinating has been a great common disease of a person who wants to achieve a success. Procrastination is the main factor of a failure. So to reduce those failures, we will learn to stop ourselves from procrastinating ourselves in this video. So without getting said, let's hop right into it. So there are lots of people out there in the globe who want to get success. Who doesn't want to get success, right guys? So everyone wants this success. So what is the difference between the successful people and unsuccessful people? That is, every unsuccessful people out there in the world just procrastinate themselves. So let's take an example and understand through it. So let's say that I want to make a hotel, okay? So I want to make a hotel and build an empire of a hotel. So if I would just postpone myself, giving excuses that I don't have money, then obviously I can't get success, right guys? But if I stop procrastinating myself and take some loan from anywhere out there, there are lots of resources to get some loan and build that hotel, maybe it will be a little bit of hard work, but yes, I will get the success and I will get that achievement. So there are two things that I have found there to stop yourself from procrastinating. So first thing is do the things you are passionate about. Procrastination will automatically stop if you are doing the things that you are passionate about. Like if I am passionate about coding, and if I am passionate about helping others, then if I have to help others, then I won't procrastinate myself with any reasons, right? So if I have that hobby and that passion, then I will do it. Though there are lots of difficulties, I would do hard work and I would obviously do that. And second thing you have to do is keep track of everything you have done. So this is the crucial thing you have to do in your daily life. So I will make a separate video on this if you want to know how you can also check and track all the details, activities you are doing and you will be doing. So I will be making separate video on this. So comment down below as soon as possible so that I can work on it and make some cool videos on those topics. These were the two things that you can do to stop yourself from procrastinating and postponing or giving excuses to yourself to not do something. Hope you guys found this video informative. If so, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you can get more interesting video contents like this one, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they could know how they can stop procrastinating in their career. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.